Car maintenance tips for beginners. Are you a new car owner? Congratulations! But with great freedom comes great responsibility. In this video, we'll share some essential car maintenance tips for beginners. First, always check your owner's manual. It's a treasure trove of information about your vehicle, including the recommended maintenance schedule and what each warning light means. Next, monitor your fluid levels. Regularly check your engine oil, coolant, transmission fluid, and windshield washer fluid. Top them off as needed to keep your engine running smoothly. Tires need love too. Maintain proper tire pressure and rotate them every 5,000 to 7,000 miles. This ensures even wear and tear and prolongs their life. Don't forget about the brakes. If you hear any squeaking or grinding, get them checked immediately. It's far better to spend a bit on new brake pads than to risk an accident. Keep an eye on your battery. Clean any corrosion from the terminals and replace it if it's more than 3 years old. A dead battery can leave you stranded at the worst possible time. Regularly replace your air filter. A clogged filter reduces fuel efficiency and can lead to costly repairs. Changing it is simple and inexpensive. Stay on top of your engine's timing belt. If it fails, it could cause severe engine damage. Check your owner's manual for the recommended replacement interval. Don't ignore warning lights. If your check engine light comes on, get your vehicle checked by a professional. Ignoring the problem could lead to more expensive repairs down the road. Finally, keep your car clean. Regularly wash and wax the exterior and clean the interior to protect your investment and keep it looking like new. By following these simple tips, you'll be well on your way to keeping your car in top shape. Happy driving!